This is number 29, in our homework for lesson 7-1, where we're asked to graph the linear equation given. Now this is one like we talked about in class the other day, where there is no constant, which means that constant is 0. We're adding 0. And what happens is with these kinds of equations, they always pass through the origin. So the question is, how do we go about determining other points that lie on this linear equation? Well, we can make ourselves a little table of possible values to substitute in for x to find the corresponding y. And so I like to call this a little t-table. So I already know that when x is 0, y is going to be 0, because when I substitute 0 in for x, I'll have negative 0 is equal to y, which is 0. If I substitute in, and I'm again just picking some random numbers, if x is 2, then y equals negative 2. If I try one more, because we like to check a third just to make sure we haven't made an arithmetic error, when x is 4, y is equal to the opposite of x, which would be negative 4. And when we go to graph these, we have the point at the origin already identified. We've got a point at 2, negative 2, which is 2 to the right and 2 down. And we have a point at 4, negative 4, which is 4 to the right and 4 down. And we can see that these do appear to sit on the same straight line. Again, we put the arrows on the end to show that that pattern continues on for forever.